Yes, guys. So, you know,
Passion, honey, ginger.
we have some passion, honey, turmeric, ginger, some blended moringa seeds, and a whole bunch of other natural herbs, you know, vital. Yeah, so we'll take a quick shot right now and see how it tastes. It's good. Yeah, man. Make it strong, yeah? Good stuff. Yes, guys, so today we went ahead and checked out Cafe Blue in Montego Bay, St. James. You know, I think it's in the Fairview, area, Fairview Plaza. Yeah, man, the jerk chicken panini with some type of cheese. I think it's gruyere cheese or something like that. Not sure. But we have the 100% Blue Mountain coffee, same way. Yeah, wifey had some type of mocha frappe or something like that. I'm not sure, but, everything was excellent, Customer service was superb, and trust me, I enjoy myself, enjoy the time eating there and everything. So if you ever in the Montego Bay area, go ahead and check them out. Yeah, man. We'll leave the name of the place with the link and all that stuff in the description. Yeah. We're at the place, we're at the water. Because the water pretty nice and pretty crystal clear water. Some of the best beaches you can find in Jamaica on the west coast, west side. You see? Yeah, man. So go on your thing. You already know the vibes. You see? Yes, guys. Margaritaville was yeah, guys, Margaritaville was, the vibes are nice, it's not the weekend, so it's a kind of different vibes during the week, but on the weekend, things different, you see. Yeah, man. But we just want to come here for the free parking and free beach and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, you already know the vibes and thing. That's how it go, that's how it stay.